I was sent this set of 4 pleated sediment water filters and asking my opinion on it, make this short video, so here goes. This is a 4-pack that you're going to get. These are 10 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. They fit in a standard 10-inch water filtration system. They come in different abilities to filter. This one is a 20 micron sediment filter. You're going to see how these work by just looking at them. These have got pleats. So the fact that they're pleated means they have a lot more surface area than a regular filter that might be just wound or just the smooth finish. So every pleat in here gives it more ability to filter the water coming through. So if you've got a situation where you've got quite a bit of sediment coming into your water system, perhaps it's from the bottom of a water tank. When it gets to the bottom, sometimes it pulls up the dust and dirt that's been at the bottom. Or if you've got a well where there's a lot of dirt getting into the pipe, then that might come up and it might clog up. But having a pleated filter will last you longer before times that you need to change it. This one as well, you can wash it. It's washable, so you take the filter out, spray it down with the hose, and now you can put it back in and use it over and over again. If you could look in the inside here, you see that plastic holes in the center. Means there's a lot of flow going through it, and it's got a plastic structural piece going all the way throughout down the middle of the filter. Well, let's get this one installed and see how it works. So to install my filter, I'm going to need to turn off the main water line. Do that with my valve right here. And then I'm going to release the pressure that's in the filter currently. You do that with the pressure relief valve that's at the top here. Or in this case, I'm going to use this other system I have to just release any pressure that's already built up in the lines. Just let that drain out a little bit. So that way when I remove that filter housing, it won't be as stiff and won't splash all over the place. I've got a drain bucket here I'm going to put underneath the filter as well. Then I'm going to take my filter wrench that came with my filter and going to go ahead and loosen up the housing at the bottom here. To stop the filter from dripping, I can turn this valve on the top of my filter to the off position like this. And that'll isolate the valve. Now I'm just going to take my new filter, the pleated filter, I'm going to put it down into the center of the filter housing and line that center hole up with the bottom of the housing. And then I'm going to put this straight up into my filter base and screw it in. Turn the water pressure back on, and we're ready to go. Just check for leaks and make sure everything's working fine, and you got your pleated filter installed, no problems. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.